Another major component of a bus transit system is the bus itself. The bus here has three main attributes: route, speed, and the maximum capacity of it. Bus also has other attributes like location, which we'll talk about it later. But the main attributes of the bus are read from the input file. For example, the bus number 60 is on route 51. It has the speed of 20 and the capacity of 15. The application allows the user to edit these attributes. For example, I say the bus ID of 60, I want to increase the speed of it to 50, and I click on change bus attribute. There are some basic validations in place so that invalid values cannot be used. For example, if I put a negative value for the bus ID, it will get an error, or if I leave it blank, it will get a warning.